Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot access any websites on a Google Pixel Fold. And to do this, we'll need to open any website browser that we have. In this case, I'm gonna go for Google Chrome. And right here, if we try to refresh or reach any website, so this one actually worked fine, and we're gonna go for the Facebook. And as you can see, there's a problem, and just to prove you again, let's go for anything else like YouTube, also doesn't work. And now to fix this, we'll need to open our settings. Then scroll all the way down and find System, then there's Date and Time, and make sure that you set time automatically, like I have right here. Now we can go back to the browser and try to refresh or continue browsing from the same page. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.